Imagine a world where every moment connects, every touch flows with purpose. This is integrated intelligence, where life and technology move as one. At Dahua, we share the vision of a more intellectually connected future by combining advanced hardware, AI-driven insights, and cloud-powered systems. We accelerate digital transformation, empowering industries through AIoT solutions and big data technology. Integrated intelligence is the future we deliver today. Dahua's vision creates a unified view of AIoT urban life, empowering cities to think, respond, and protect. Every data point, every system, moves together in a dance of coordination. Intelligent traffic systems breathe rhythm into our streets, turning data into smoother and safer journeys. Real-time insights empower every mile, ensuring a path of certainty and trust. By measuring the pulse of our natural surroundings, we gain clarity to protect and act. From nurturing ecosystems to managing waste and supporting social readiness, we ensure a more sustainable society. Industries are redefined through the embrace of AIoT. In a world where energy never sleeps, we power the drive of those who keep it moving. We illuminate the process with precision, optimizing each step to ensure maximum performance. Security takes shape within the community, and smart living promotes convenience, elevating the quality of everyday life. We create spaces where inspiration takes flight and growth finds its pace, shaping minds for what lies beyond. Healthcare fortified by intelligence forms a shield in every critical moment. From preventing loss to driving insights, our solutions help retailers refine operations and elevate their digital presence. We make safety a tangible reality, with transaction security at its core. Our technology helps financial institutions foster trust and unlock opportunities for growth. Our solution bridges past and present, safeguarding cultural landmarks and powering the world's biggest stages. From security to performance tracking, we ensure venues and achievements shine. For the past 30 years, Dahua has evolved into a global AIoT solution and service provider. Our diverse product range is designed to redefine efficiency, effectiveness, and quality, delivering integrated intelligence for a smarter and more connected future. Our global presence spans over 180 countries with more than 23,000 employees, and over half dedicated to R&D, driving innovation and delivering cutting-edge solutions. At the center of our operations lies the AIoT Industrial Park, featuring 2 world-leading R&D centers and 5 research institutes committed to advanced technology, AI-driven insights, big data processing, and cybersecurity. As a global AIoT solution and service provider, our reach is supported by our own global factories and warehouses, supported by over 1,000 partners and 2,000 dedicated service staff. We create a robust global network to deliver reliable support, ensuring a smooth experience worldwide. From city management to smart living, Dahua's integrated intelligence is woven into 3,000 scenarios across 170 industries, sparking boundless innovation. Sustainability is at the core of our mission. From reducing carbon emissions to adopting greener operational and R&D practices, we are dedicated to advancing eco-friendly manufacturing methods, sustainable packaging, and renewable energy use. Through technology for good, we empower our partners and users to achieve their sustainability goals as well. At Dahua, we don't just redefine technology, we redefine what's possible. Integrated intelligence, infinite possibilities,